How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to do 100 push-ups. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So I'm going to talk about doing 100 push-ups in a row. Then I'll just talk about doing 100 push-ups in general because my subscriber who asked this question, I'm not quite sure what he means. So we're going to talk about both. So how to do 100 push-ups. The easiest way to do 100 push-ups, if that is your goal to do 100 push-ups, then just do lots of sets. If you can only do, say, 10 push-ups in a row, that's completely fine. Do 20 sets and do 5 repetitions each set. Take a minute or two rest period. You'll be able to do 100 push-ups. Very simple, very easy. If you want to do 100 push-ups per day and you can't do very many push-ups, again, just do lots of sets. And that's an easy way to hit all your push-ups in a day. Let's say you can do 20 repetitions for push-ups in a row. Like that's the best you can do. Then do 10 reps and then do 10 sets. Boom, you'll get your 100 push-ups. I will also talk in this video tips how to increase your push-ups. Now to do 100 push-ups in a row, I'm not gonna lie, that is insane. The most I've ever done in a row is 80, and that was damn near impossible. Like I was demolished, and I was training for push-ups too. I was training to be good at them. So to do 80 push-ups, that was extremely hard. I could not imagine doing an extra 20. But how you do it, the way that I trained to do that many push-ups in a row is the first tip is get to a lean body fat percentage. So if you're overweight, that's not going to work at all for your push-ups. You need to lose weight. You need to get to around 8 to 10% body fat. If you don't know what 8 to 10% body fat looks like, just Google it and it'll show lots of pictures of between 8 to 10% body fat. Once you hit that body fat percentage, which most people are not at, I would say 90% of people are not at that body fat percentage. Some people who think they're at that body fat percentage, they're actually higher, like 12, 14, 16% body fat. So just again, look on the internet, you'll be able to tell from some pictures. Once you get the body fat percentage, now you need to start with a proper program. Now the program I always recommend for my push-up videos is to do a volume day and then to do an intensity day. So for the volume day, try to do as many push-ups as possible. For the intensity day, try to do as many push-ups in a row that you can do. And only do 1 to 2 sets. So for intensity day, 1 to 2 sets, that's it. Volume day, you want to do at least 10 sets. So the thing here is intensity day, let's say you can do 30 push-ups in a row. Try to get 31 push-ups. Do 1 set, wait like 5 minutes, try to do another set. Or you can just do the 1 set and call it a day. Come your volume day, if you can do 30 repetitions, I recommend doing roughly anywhere from 100 to 150 push-ups on your volume day. Now, if you're thinking, wow, that's a lot of push-ups, that's 10 to 15 sets doing 10 reps. When you do 30 in a row, 10 repetitions will be nothing for you, especially if you pace it out over 10 to 15 sets. And again, each set take like 2-3 minutes, recover, fully recover, do another 10 reps. That's what I recommend doing. So hopefully I answered your question, subscriber. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.